for this recipe, you're going to need some ground beef. You'll need a lemon, some chup and mayo. Here we've got some dried cayenne peppers. Here we've got some medium shrimp. And here we've got some fish sauce. And of course, some seasoning, like some SPG. And this here is we got a sushi mat. And we'll show you how we use it. Now, we're going to season up this ground beef first. Now, for the ground beef, you want at least 80%, 20% lean to fat, maybe 85% to 15 lean to fat. You need enough fat in there to make this work. Now, here we've got some fish sauce, also known as liquid anchovies. This is the magic to this dish. If you've never used fish sauce, you should have it around your pit. You'll use it plenty of times. A lot of great flavor. Now, we've mixed up the ground beef, and now we're going to take this so-called sushi mat, and many of you know what it is, right? It makes rolling food much easier, right? Like sushi. We're going to apply some aluminum foil and to the mat. That just helps you keep the mat nice and clean. Now, you want to take some of this ground beef, and you can get the exact recipe if you head on over to our website, bbqpitboys.com. But you can see by just doing it here, making it fairly thin, just enough for one complete roll. Now we're going to add the surf, or the medium deveined and shelled shrimp, right? Ready to go. And this is how you roll it. Just like that. Now you can do this without a mat, right? It works. You'll see some of our recipes that we don't use a sushi mat. Takes a little more time, but you can do it. But if you can get yourself a sushi mat like this, it makes it look real easy, right? Easy to do. You roll it, and you got yourself a perfect stuffed roll. We're going to call it a chili dog. Right. See that? Perfect every time. Oh, man. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Nothing like a surf and turf. All right. Now, we're going to place these on a charcoal grill opposite the hot coals, right? Kind of indirect. A medium heat, somewhere around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want to cook them fast. You do them a little bit slower like this, and it guarantees everything stays together. Now, we're going to make a remoulade sauce, right? A lot of you know what that is. It's a combination of, say, ketchup and mayonnaise. We'll squeeze a lemon. It's simple to do. And we'll use this as a condiment. Easy enough. Now, you might have your own favorite remoulade sauce. Use your own or something off the shelf, but this works really good. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now, let's check on these surf and turf chili dogs, or reef and beef. You call them the way you want. We'll rotate them a little bit, move them around. This way we get some nice, even cooking. Now, this is a perfect recipe for hanging at the pit. You got some special friends coming over, have a few beers or whatever. This will go every time. There's nothing like shrimp and beef together, as some of you might know. Now, we're going to take those dried chili peppers, right? Just separate the meat a little bit from the seeds. And of course, you want to get next year's crop of chili peppers going. All right. Good enough. Now, checking on these reef and beef chili dogs. Just rotate them, even cooking. Take your time. Again, we're controlling the heat by being somewhat on the cool side of this kettle or grill. Look at that. It won't take long to do. You want to look for an internal temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. All right. The first stack is done, and then also another 3. So you can serve these up the way you want. Just get yourself a decent roll. Put some of that remoulade sauce on there. Some of those chili peppers. Are you kidding me? You smell that? It smells good. And as always, Pitmaster's going to eat right in front of you, and he's not apologizing. So head on over to our website to get the recipe, form your own chapter, give us a shout out or a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. And the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.